What if you could have two engines in one? With the all-new Nissan Altima, you can. Instant turbo power, impressive fuel efficiency, without compromise. Together in one amazing high-performance engine. Welcome to the world's first production variable compression turbo. The secret is changing the engine's compression ratio. In the blink of an eye, the piston arms change position from turbo-friendly low compression to fuel-efficient higher compression. So when you're cruising at lower speeds, you can stretch your miles, even when you're stop and go on city streets. The right tech can move you. The best tech can move the world. The all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Impossibly smart. What if you could start your day with the sound of your voice? Alexa, start my morning. Alexa, start my Altima. This is Nissan Intelligent Mobility. You can extend your smart home to your driveway. Start your engine and warm things up with intelligent climate control. Seats, steering wheel, even your windshield, rear glass, and outside mirrors, all before you step inside. Your directions? The track you were playing? They're ready and waiting too. With Nissan door-to-door navigation, you can send your route to your Altima. No more retyping. While your compatible smartphone keeps you connected with texts and more. And with standard Nissan Connect, you've got more info at your fingertips, including a customizable home screen. Your day has never felt so seamless. The right tech can move you. The best tech can move the world. The all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Impossibly smart. What if you actually looked forward to your daily commute? This is Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Tech that changes the way you drive forever. Ditch the stress of highway traffic, go with the flow, and stay centered with Pro Pilot Assist. Just set your preferred speed and distance. When traffic slows, it can assist you by automatically braking, even bringing you to a full stop. When things start moving again, you'll get back up to speed. And in traffic or on the open road, it helps keep you centered in the lane. It's your partner that helps you feel more confident behind the wheel. The right tech can move you. The best tech can move the world. The all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Impossibly smart. What are the signs of intelligence? Flexibility. Confidence. Ability to respond. This is Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Find it in the all-new Nissan Altima with intelligent all-wheel drive. It's constantly adapting to conditions, sending power to the wheels that need it most, and responding before you even know it, for grip, control, and confidence. In rain, sleet, or snow. And when it's dry, it's all about efficiency and exhilaration. The right tech can move you. The best tech can move the world. The all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Impossibly smart. The right tech can move you. The best tech can move the world. De-stress your drive with the all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Impossibly smart.